I'm Dan, and this week's special, fire extinguishers. We're running these for 17 bucks a piece. Everybody should have a fire extinguisher around the house. Guys, Christmas time's coming. The women always have candles burning. We plug 13 plugs into one outlet, and don't forget about deep frying the turkey. You get that little oil spill and it flames up. Are you going to be a little upset? Yeah. Burn the turkey when all the friends and family are there. Are they going to be upset? Probably. Burn the garage down and the house down. Is the little woman going to be mad? Oh, you betcha. So come get a fire extinguisher. Be a hero, not a zero.